Hey mini knife fans or micro knife fans, you might see this on AliExpress. This is a few months old now. I bought it for my wallet. I like to keep a knife and a flashlight in my wallet there. But I decided to take it off. I don't think it's a good design, to be honest with you. But let's get over the basic specs of it. It's like 9 grams with a little key ring. The overall length is like 45 millimeters. The thickness maybe 6 millimeters. That width is around 12, and then the blade itself is 1.3 millimeters thick, and the effective edge is probably around 15 millimeters, 16 millimeters. Alright, so the reason why I took it off my keychain is the only thing that keeps that thing in the open position is this little magnet. Right? Stainless steel, which is what this blade is made of, isn't very magnetic to start with, right? Because it's stainless and it's not mostly iron. Well, maybe it is mostly iron, but something about stainless is less magnetic than typical carbon steel. So yeah, as you can see, it's pretty easy to flick open and closed. So I think I found it open one day on my wallet, so that's why I took it off. There's a little Torx head screw holding that pivot together. I've got a few boxes with it though, and it worked fine. It's a little bit dull now. Let me get a piece of paper here. Let's see. Well, now I guess it's pretty much, yeah. It's not gonna cut paper like a new blade. But there, you can see, something about the tip is probably messed up. So I think you can sharpen it and stuff like that. It's just that I don't think it's safe to keep in your pocket or on you. But if you're at home and you just need a small knife to cut something, the way it is designed, as you're pushing down on a box, it can't possibly, close on your hand unless you somehow do that. That's the only way it could be dangerous. But it's such a small blade, I don't think it's going to be much of an issue. Yeah, sorry, not a sharp edge. Okay, so anyways, it's I guess alright for the price. It was only a few dollars, so. But honestly, I think there are better knives out there. So that's my take on it. We'll see you in the next knife review.